Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to create table of contents in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to add a table of contents in a Google document, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To create a table of contents in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs in your computer web browser and log into your account. Once you are in Google Docs, open the document to which you want to add a table of contents or create a new document. To add a table of contents, you need to apply heading styles to the sections of your document. Highlight the title or subtitle you want to include in the table of contents. From the toolbar, click on Format and hover over Paragraph Styles in the drop-down menu. Select a heading style like Heading 1, Heading 2, or Other. You can also change the heading style from here. Repeat this for all the headings in your document. Now, place your mouse cursor where you want the table of contents to appear in your document. I'm going to add the table of contents here. From the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, hover over Table of Contents. You will see three options for the table of contents format: plain text, dotted, and with links. Choose the format you prefer. Now, your table of contents is visible and looks like this. If you make changes to your document after inserting the table of contents, such as adding new sections or moving content, you need to update it. Click on the Table of Contents area, and then click the refresh icon to update it with the latest headings. By following these simple steps, you can easily create a table of contents in your Google Docs document.